Okay, we'll have Mason do it. Mace, come here.
I think my neck is gonna, I think my head is just about to roll off.
Hey, Dean. Hey, Dean. Hey, little fat guy. See, he answers to that. That's bad.
Ding da ding da ding da ding.
I know, right? Look at him. You used to eat like that. What are you talking about?
Mason, show Dad how you make Dean laugh.
No, not now. He looks ridiculous.
Look at that. Look at the...
Come on, make him laugh.
He's
so
afraid.
cute.
He's afraid to say Dean looks gross.
Hi there.
He does
He
look
does.
gross. Come on, make him laugh.
Not now.
Yes,
Not in the mood.
make him laugh.
No.
What were you doing?
His neck probably hurts too.
You has
Aiden
green
knows.
eyebrows.
Aiden says it hurts his neck.
You're gonna have to take a bath.
Come on, you have to show
a
Dad.
big ass headache.
That's
Aiden, you do it
ridiculous.
if you want.
He can't do it.
Please,
Oh.
just do it once.
Oh.
Come on.
No.
Dean's
No.
getting sad.
He's not in the mood, and no, he's not. He just wants someone to dig that. Ugh. He just wants someone to dig that mess. Yeah.
You guys are all pathetic.
He wants
It's
someone to.
avocado.
I'm not sticking my hand in that.
It's green.
I already picked it up a few times. I've already washed my hands a few times. Not doing it again.
I think he's talking about when I was being.
No, tonight with this little guy. Yeah. Your face is covered.
Wasn't he wearing that before?